So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this little sleek bun thing that I always do. Every time I'm on Snapchat and I post it, everyone's like, how'd you do it? How'd you do it? So I just did my makeup. Can't really tell a difference because I look like this every day. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. First thing I use is this little comb right here. I just part my hair to the side. However deep you want your swoop to be is how, you know, where you part it. This is how I like my part. It'll get messed up in, like, you know, a few seconds. Alright, so I just literally just wet the part that I'm gonna slick. I don't wet none of this. None of that at all. Wow, those are some cute curls and I'm about to just mess them up. Alright, so put a little bit of water here. This is the gel that I use. This is what it looks like. What is it called? Eco Style Professional Styling Gel, olive oil, and shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. I don't know, whatever. But I only put gel in the parts that, wow, I just dropped all the gel. I use a little comb, looks like that. Water, toothbrush, and a brush. All right, so put gel in the places that I'm gonna slick. I don't put gel in the places back here. So I know that this is gonna get slicked down, and then this part right here is gonna get slicked down. Just that. So curly. I'm only brushing the parts that I need. Water there. All right, then I'm just gonna brush it. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and slick this part down. So how I do it is I just hold it as I'm slicking it down, and then I get here. Once I get here, alright, this is the tricky part. Ooh, bam. Alright, so hold up. So I go, once I get here, I'm gonna go like this and put it behind. Now at this point I have this. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here and just keep slicking it until, hold on, because I'm doing it in the camera, I need to be able to make sure. Okay, so I actually like that. Now that you got that, you're gonna just tie it. Alright. Tie it. Okay. Whew, this is exhausting. Alright, so after that, I'm gonna go ahead and slick these edges down. Come right here and just swoop it back like that. Okay, so now I have that, and then cool. So then I'm gonna come here, grab some of that hair there with my toothbrush and swoop it back, and then brush these pieces back. All right, so that way, right here, and just swoop it. All right, perfect. All right, so right here, I'm gonna just take out a little piece right here and just swoop it. Ooh, edges. All right, so I don't know, should I leave my hair out today? Probably not. I always do that. I'd be like, ooh, it looks cute like that, and a little ponytail, but then I'd be like, never mind. So now right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just put gel. Only put gel in the places you're slicking down. Do not put gel all over your hair. Me, I don't like to put gel all over my hair. That's just me, but do you, boo. Everyone's hair is different. My hair is just my hair. All right, so I'm just gonna keep slicking. So then the way I know that my slick is like where it needs to be, I have a little dot like right here somewhere. So when I pass it, I know my slick is slicked. All right, I know it's slicked. And then I just follow it with my finger there. All right, so then the tricky part comes right here because you don't want the white pieces right here to show the emptiness. So you just keep slicking until you like it, I guess. And then always smooth it out. All right, so then I'm gonna come on this side and take some hair out here. Whatever, that works. All right, so then with the Access gel that's on my hands already, kind of sort of, there's some left on there. I just go like that. All right, and I tighten my hair. All right, so to do the bun part, how I do it is I just go like this. Scrunchie and go like that. That's actually low-key really bomb. Okay, so that is the final look. This is what it looks like. This is how I get my slicked. Let me just spin in my chair. This is what my slick ponytail. This is how I do it. Literally, this is the most easiest hairstyle ever. Like, you cannot mess this up. Like, I only put gel right here. Only put gel there. So yes, I will see you guys in my next hair tutorial. Bye.